Hey everyone, say goodbye to messy laundry days and hello to effortless organization with Lichybees Exim's non-woven laundry bags. These bags are not just bags, they are the laundry day game changer, which are made from high quality non-woven fabric. Lichybees Exim laundry bags are durable, eco-friendly and stylish. Why to choose non-woven fabric? Because it's breathable, ensuring your clothes stay fresh and dry. Plus, it's tear resistant, so you can trust it to handle even with the heaviest loads, which are perfect for every scenario, whether you are at home, hitting the laundry doormat, or heading back to your room. These bags are designed for convenience and ease. And when you are done, simply fold them away. They take up minimal space, making them perfect for small apartments and dorm rooms. Transform your laundry routine with Lichybees Exim's non-woven laundry bags. They are more just than a utility. In fact, they are a lifestyle upgrade. Order yours today and experience the difference. Contact us on the number given below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Be environmental friendly. Thank you.